Hello and a very warm welcome to each one of you. And yesterday we had met to revise this all the chapters that we have read from this book, Master Your Emotions. We could discuss it till part 2. Today we are discussing about the part 3 and part 4 of the book. Um, Part 3 of the book. So let me first share the part 1, part 2 kya tha. Part 1 was what emotions are. Part 2 was what impacts your emotions. And now today what we are going to discuss is about how to change your emotions and how to use your emotions to grow. When I think of part 3 of the book, it comes to my heart as emotional mastery. How to, how to handle emotions in a better way. So the takeaways that I have penned down from this part of the book is what I'm going to share with you. And thereafter, I will be taking your takes and your, whatever insights you have to share on that. Okay. Number one is you can't control what happens, but you can control your reaction. हमारी लाइफ में there are certain things that we cannot control. There are certain things that are in our control. And reaction is one of those things that is in our control. Right? Either we react or we respond. Then number 2 is letting go doesn't mean giving up. It means trusting life. How? जब हम let go कर देते हैं, we come into a flow state. ठीक है, we will see to it. We will see how it happens. Letting go at the same time does not mean if somebody has done wrong to you, you forgive that person and you forget it. It is forgiveness granted, access denied. Point number 3 is living in present helps you stay calm. हमारी लाइफ में जितना भी chaos है, it is more and less because of either what happened in the past or what will happen in the future. If we reflect on now, in this moment, in the present, I don't think there will be much that is there to be worried about. थोड़े तो कैमरास ऑन कर लो, बड़ा बोरिंग सा लग रहा है. Point number 4 is meditation and mindfulness helps you watch your thoughts. We have discussed a very beautiful this thing in one of the sessions wherein when we do meditation, what happens is the emotions that have settled down, जो हमने दबा दिए थे, वो they start floating up. अब जब वो ऊपर फ्लोट करना शुरू हो जाते हैं तो हमारे को लगता है कि अब हम उसका क्या करें. एंड इन दैट मोमेंट यू हैव टू लेट इट गो. लाइक हम लोगों ने बात करी थी कि अगर हम कार में ट्रेवल कर रहे हैं, हम ट्रेवल करते हुए कार्स को, एक एक कार को ऐसे 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 देखते रहेंगे तो हाउ इट स्टार्ट्स एकिंग आवर आईज एंड आवर हेड. वी गेट सो मच ऑफ स्ट्रेस, राइट? When we sit in meditation, we have to make sure that whatever those emotions are, let them be. Acknowledge them, but let them pass as well. When I visualize this, I visualize as if there is water in front of me. उसके सामने से, हर इमोशन उसके ऊपर से फ्लो करने की कोशिश कर रहा है क्योंकि पानी बह रहा है. एंड वॉट आई एम डूइंग इज आई एम होल्डिंग ऑन टू दैट इमोशन कि तू रुक, मैंने तो तुझसे बात ही नहीं करी थी, मैंने तो तुझको डील ही नहीं किया था, मुझको तो तेरे को पहले उखाड़ के तेरा सीधा ईटा मुझे करना है. What I am saying here is when we sit in meditation, let it flow. If it is going, let it go. जब पानी के अंदर कुछ चीज तैर रही होती, even if it is heavy, even if it is light in weight, everything flows. Point number 5 is you are not your past, your future is still in your hands. हमारे पास में जो हो चुका है, you cannot change it, but what you can do is you can learn from it and make sure that the mistakes that you have made in the past, you do not redo them in the future. दैट्स इट। उसके अलावा हमारा पास से कोई लेना देना आई डोंट थिंक होना चाहिए। इमोशनल स्ट्रेंथ कम्स फ्रॉम एक्सेप्टेंस नॉट रेजिस्टेंस। रेजिस्टेंस कब होती है? जब हमारे बॉटल अप हो रहे हैं इमोशंस और वो उछल उछल के निकलने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं और हम उसको प्रेस कर रहे हैं, प्रेस कर रहे हैं, प्रेस कर रहे हैं। यू आर नॉट इवन एक्सेप्टिंग। हम कह रहे हैं मुझको तो गुस्सा आता ही नहीं है, मुझे तो आता ही नहीं है, मैं तो आता ही नहीं है, मुझे आता ही नहीं है, आ रहा है फिर भी मैं बोल रही हूँ मेरे को तो आता ही नहीं है, मेरे को नहीं। क्यों? क्योंकि हमने सीख लिया कि एफर्मेशन करो तो वो सही हो जाता है, राइट? बट इज दैट ट्रू? नहीं ना। जब आ रहा है तो एक्सेप्ट तो कर ही लेना चाहिए। देन ओनली यू विल अंडरस्टैंड कि उसको एक्सेप्ट करने के बाद उसका करना क्या है, उसके साथ डील कैसे करना है। रियल चेंज हैपेंस व्हेन यू आर काइंड टू योरसेल्फ। अब गुस्सा आ गया, उसके बाद में अगर उसको अपने आप को आई स्टार्ट बीटिंग माई सेल्फ अप कि हाय तुझको तो गुस्सा आ गया, तू तो बहुत बुरी है, तू तो बहुत बुरी है, दैट इज नॉट गोइंग टू शिफ्ट एनीथिंग इन योर लाइफ। उससे और आप अपनी सेल्फ एस्टीम भी लो करोगे, ये भी करोगे, वो भी करोगे, इट्स गोइंग टू हैम्पर योर ओन सेल्फ। नाउ व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इज एक्सेप्ट इट। ठीक है ना, गुस्सा मुझे आया, किसी और को भी आ सकता है, सबको आ सकता है, इट्स ओके। नाउ हाउ डू आई डू, व्हाट डू आई डू अबाउट इट इज मोर रादर देन बीटिंग माई सेल्फ अप फॉर हाय मुझे तो गुस्सा आता है। And I think that is when a real change, real shift will happen. For that, I think we need to start small. One thought, one feeling at a time. जो जो फील हो रहा है, नॉर्मली स्पीकिंग वी डू नॉट इवन सिट विद आवरसेल्व्स टू अंडरस्टैंड कि हमारे को फील क्या हो रहा है। हो गया, दिन निकल गया, हो गया, ठीक है, ठीक है। डिड यू आस्क योरसेल्फ हाउ आर यू फीलिंग राइट नाउ? जब अपने आप के साथ इंट्रोस्पेक्शन ही नहीं करेंगे तो उसके आगे का रिजल्ट भी नहीं निकलेगा ना। नहीं तो फिर तो हम ऑटो पायलट पे उन्हीं इमोशन के साथ हर रोज हर रोज हर रोज हर रोज हर रोज डील करेंगे। एंड फॉर दैट, प्रैक्टिसिंग पॉज बिफोर एनीथिंग एल्स। मोस्ट ऑफ आवर प्रॉब्लम्स कम बिकॉज हमारे को जैसे ही एंगर आता है हम उसका रिएक्शन दे देते हैं विदाउट पॉजिंग। हमारे को फ्रस्ट्रेशन हो रही है, हमने पॉज तो किया नहीं, अपने आप को हाँ करके दे दिया वो। Pause is one of those attributes that if you include in your life, in your daily routine, it is going to bring massive shifts in your life in emotional intelligence quotient. Um, there is a lot of inner chatter that happens in our head. That also came to me while reading, going through this. Um, I think we should, pata nahi, but yeah, I think that would be a good practice if we start talking to ourselves, speaking to ourselves with some love, some kindness. Those were my few takeaways. I would love for, Madhulika to start with her shares on this part of the book, and then we'll proceed with Komal.
So if I sum up this book, जो मैं इसका निचोड़ निकालना चाहूंगी, so there are, हमें दो तरीके के इमोशंस के साथ में डील करना पड़ता है. वन इज इंट्रापर्सनल, अदर इज इंटरपर्सनल, राइट? If you are very much sorted with yourself, then only you can be sorted with the outside world, whatever. So first, let's get sorted with ourselves. So for that, it is very important, as you said, just sit with yourself. uh, how do we say, loneliness is not cured by human company. It is, loneliness is not cured by human company, but it is cured by by actually contacting with your own self. When you learn how to live with your own self, then only you can say that yes, you're lonely, you can deal with that loneliness. You don't need people to, to cure your, to get rid of your loneliness. So if you're sorted with yourself, if you can talk to yourself, you can ask yourself, what is the emotion? What are you going on? Write it down. Writing it down is again a practice of detachment. You are detached with the emotions. Now, the emotion, you are not the emotion. You are just feeling that emotion. And no emotion is bad emotion unless until it is handled properly. If it is, even if it is anger, anger is very important. We have seen in the previous chapter how the after depression, when anger comes, then only the things get resolved. It is not cured on the surface level. When the anger comes, then only at times we don't even realize that we are having anxiety unless until we get that, jab tak wo bhar nahi jata, and we, then we realize, okay, something has happened. So first of all, jot down your emotions, make them separate to yourself, and then ask what is the solution to that? How can I channelize? For that, the best practice is smile. You can always smile. I mean, if you are having something before reaction, if you will smile, it will automatically direct your energy uh, towards responding, not towards reacting. So there are so many options. We have 10 to 12 options before reaction. How you can respond, whether you can accept it, whether you can ignore it, whether you can embrace it, whether you can say thank you, whether you can, man mein socho badla le lunga. There are so 10 to 12 options, different options. हाँ, सब कुछ मैंने ही किया है. I am the best. I mean, it is up to us how we want to take it. So there are so many options. You can always pick and choose what option you need to do. One thing is very nice, very powerful line that Karishma has also said: forgiveness given, access denied. If someone is treating you like, and you don't like it, for the first time it is their fault, but if it is happening second time or third time and again, so that means it is your fault. It is my fault that I am not telling them this is your boundaries, and I am, access is denied. The major expense of our country's budget is, anyone? The major expense, the major portion of our finance budget goes to
I thought defense.
defense. It has got the major percentage. Why? Just to safeguard our country, so that we all can be peaceful, all can be safe. So this has to be safe. This is where the enemy is entering. This is where the thoughts are entering. So can we save our thoughts? Thoughts are the actual intelligence. That is what we need to save. Can we save our thoughts from? So access denied. No access to, it is up to us where the attention goes, energy flows. It is up to us which emotion we want to nurture, which don't want to. And we all are learning. There is no judgments. It's not that.
Such a good sharing Madhulika is doing, like boundaries. Defense is also protecting the boundaries.
Yes.
So we also need to protect our aura and boundaries.
Exactly.
I
If
can
we are
define it
not
this way.
protecting our aura, that means we are not doing justice to our lives, which is
Either
the
be
most
so
beautiful
strong
thing. Yeah, that
and
is the most beautiful thing that God's creation, that we are not protecting our lives, we are not protecting our thoughts. I mean, so for me, and it's not, we all are in a judgment free zone. ऐसा नहीं है कि करिश्मा को गुस्सा ही नहीं आता होगा, वो ज्ञान ही ज्ञान पेल रही है ना? उसको पूरी बुक, उसने बहुत अच्छे अच्छे पॉइंट बताए, या उसको गुस्सा नहीं आता होगा, कोई भरोसा नहीं अभी 2 घंटे बाद में वो झड़क दे किसी को. मुझे गुस्सा नहीं आता होगा, बिल्कुल आता होगा, बट देन आई विल डेफिनेटली गोना लर्न आउट ऑफ दैट एक्सपीरियंस, फॉर श्योर. For sure. If I don't learn out of that experience, if you don't learn out of your mistakes, your experience, that means it is your habit. So before it comes to your habit, recognize it and deal with it. And we all have that power within us. We all are intelligent. We all are beautiful souls. That is what I believe. No one is wrong, no one is right, no one is wrong over here. It is just how we convey our thoughts. It is all that matters is how we say. My mentor says, घर में हमेशा हस्बैंड वाइफ की लड़ाई होती रहती है, मैक्सिमम, है ना? यही है, शादी के बाद बहुत लड़ाइयाँ लड़ाइयाँ लड़ाई. He always say that, see Madhu, the lady of the house is always correct. She is 100% correct. It is always correct. Every home, everywhere. It is just she should know how to convey her thoughts. If she knows how to convey her thoughts, she is, I mean, the best sorted person. फिर कोई लड़ाई नहीं होगी. It is just she doesn't know how to convey her feelings properly.
The maximum we can say, we cannot say about nasty women who are just for alimony, and wrong cases are also being heard in society. So yeah, that is extreme part. Like we don't know what is the real scene over there. But yeah, I also will agree to what you were saying. We definitely, we as a woman feel that we are trying to adjust over there, love them. And it's just that we also ask for their love. Ask, or we are wanting that love or space, which Krishna was like, if your parents gave, you are always asking कि इससे ज्यादा तभी आप रह पाओगे ना, something, or नहीं ज्यादा, equal or something. But yeah, something like this, or मतलब it's just the way you said ना, you need to convey. They are never जो मदर और डॉटर की भी होती हैं बातें, मदर इन लॉ और डॉटर की भी, उसमें भी आई वाज लाइक मैन से भी ज्यादा प्यार कर रही होती है वो उनके बेटे से भी. आई अज्यूम और आई फील, मुझे तो ऐसे ही, बिकॉज दे आर केयरिंग, or I can say for myself, or as for many
See,
other women, right?
Komal, it all depends what the end intention is, right? So we are talking about when the intentions are good. When the intentions are good, whether it is about any relation, whether it is teacher student, whether it is husband wife, whether it is mother daughter, or it is mother-in-law daughter-in-law, father son, if the intention, the last result is correct, is good, so for sure, if everyone knows how to communicate, I think everything is sorted then. If we just know how to put our thoughts across.
Yeah. How to make them make each other listen to each other.
And I got to know a very powerful thing about that how you can resolve conflicts, or how you can avoid conflicts, how you can convey this thing, that in any difficult conversation, if you're stepping into any difficult conversation, always first set the end result and convey it. आप किसी आर्ग्यूमेंट में जाने वाले हो, आपको पता है आप अपने हस्बैंड से कोई, बच्चों से कोई टफ डिस्कशन में जाने वाले हो, ऑलवेज सेट द एंड रिजल्ट. सी, आई वांट टू टेक एंड आई वांट टू एंड दिस conversation where we both are still in good place to talk. I don't want to take it to something, nagging या कुछ लड़ाई झगड़ा हो. No, I want this to end very smoothly so that we can talk, we can have dinner together, we can still, we can, जो भी time हो उसके बाद में, so that we can sit again at that point of time, so that we can sit over the cup of coffee or tea. So set the end result first. First, set your intention that now I want to talk to you something, but I want to end this conversation so that we can sit for the cup of coffee in the evening. So उससे सामने वाले को पता लग जाता है कि अच्छा लड़ने नहीं आई है ये. So और अपने भी दिमाग में सेट रहता है कि मुझे मेरा डेस्टिनेशन कहाँ है. जैसे जीपीएस में होता है ना, आपने पहले डेस्टिनेशन फिट कर दिया. हम गूगल मैप्स में पहले डेस्टिनेशन डालते हैं, देन वी फाइंड द रोड मैप. सो फर्स्ट पुट द डेस्टिनेशन ओवर देयर. सी, आई वांट टू टेक दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन टू दिस पॉइंट.
Wow. Okay, verbally we can communicate that thing to us. Yeah.
Even yes.
Yes. Yeah. Hmm. So that it's lively, na? It's definitely I understand.
Yes,
You're
yes,
making
and
other person.
it is very good. See, everyone likes genuinity. अगर आप जेन्युइन हो तो सबको अच्छा लगेगा. आप अगर जेन्युइनली बोलोगे कि मुझे इस समय गुस्सा आ रहा है, आई मीन सामने वाले बंदे को लगेगा ओके फाइन इसको गुस्सा आ रहा है, फर्स्ट वी नीड टू एड्रेस इट. सो अगर आप जेन्युइन रहोगे ना कि एंड इट इज द बेस्ट जेन्युइनिटी कि आपने पहले ही बता दिया कि मैं इस कॉन्वर्सेशन को कहाँ लीड करना चाहती हूँ, और आपकी चाहे वो मदर इन लॉ के साथ में भी है कि मैं इस बात को वहां खत्म करना चाहती हूँ कि आप और मैं इकट्ठे बैठ के कल सुबह हम दोनों फिर मार्केट चलें, आई मीन या जो भी है मतलब. सो आई वांट टू एंड इट एट दैट नोट कि वो पक्का है कि वो होगा ही होगा, है ना, कि वो है. So if you set your intentions in the first place, so you handle with your emotions also, there is never a flat conversation. If it is going to be difficult, it is never going to be flat. It will have highs and lows and highs and lows. Emotions आपके ऊपर नीचे होते रहेंगे. But if you know the end result, it is going to land over there only.
Wow, that
Great.
was a very good insight. We normally shirk away from the difficult talks. And
Especially Indian men. जैसे पहले ही बोल दिया ना करिश्मा के हस्बैंड ने, मुझे नहीं बताना, because he never wanted to be in that situation, that difficult situation. Yeah, he never. See, every problem can be seen in three ways. First is no problem, ये तो कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं, ये तो कुछ है ही नहीं, ये क्या बकवास है, छोड़ो 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 छोड़ो. दूसरा, ओ माय गॉड इतनी बड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो गई है, उन्होंने मुझे ऐसे कैसे बोल दिया, नो, ऐसे कैसे हो गया, ये कैसे हो गया, वो कैसे हो गया, फलाना ढिकड़ा, तिल का ताड़ बना दिया. The third way is, okay, fine, this is the problem. Let's come, discuss, find out the solution. Indian men always took the first one. मैं तो किसी को भी कुछ नहीं बोलता. जनरली मेन विल से, ना तो मैं इसको कुछ बोलता माँ को, ना मैं बीवी को कुछ बोलता. जो करना है आपस में करो. Because you don't want to take the ownership. Why you can't say anything? आप अपने बच्चों को दो को लड़ते हुए या कुछ ऐसे देखोगे, फैमिली में कॉन्फ्लिक्ट देखोगे, सो इट इज योर ड्यूटी टू टेक द ओनरशिप. Why you not taking the ownership? Just to get rid of, or maybe to avoid a difficult situation, that's it. Because they don't know how to talk, because they
मेरा
don't
बट
know how to deal with emotions.
इसी से थोड़ा ऑपोजिट है. मैं ये रिक्वेस्ट कर रही हूँ कि बीच में मत आओ. ऑपोजिट थिंग which where I don't know how that scenario may be different definitely, where because I thought we will deal it nicely. Matlab we will be okay after some time, even there is some argument or something, but as a woman we both know, or I know that we'll be neutral towards each other and start housework. But the man who is not able to handle, he was frustrated both sides, so he spoiled more of it. So then I was like, don't come in between rather than doing this. Or either be loving to both. पॉजिटिव सेंस में आओगे ना, इन दैट सेंस आई मीन ईदर डोंट कम. मैंने तो ये सोचा ही नहीं कि आ सकते हो, बिकॉज इफ हिज बिहेवियर दिस, देन आई थॉट बेटर नॉट टू कम, बेटर नॉट इन्वॉल्व योरसेल्फ इन दिस थिंग. है ना कि लेट मी ऑल्सो स्पीक, लेट मी ऑल्सो एक्सप्रेस माई सेल्फ. एंड हम थोड़ा नाराज हुए थोड़ी देर, बट ठीक हो जाएंगे. हु इज कॉलिंग यू? तो ये भी एक सिनेरियो है. कुछ वो करते हैं अवॉइड, कुछ ओवर दे आर प्रोटेक्टिंग, दे आर ट्राइंग कि मेरी मॉम को तो नहीं कुछ कह रहे हो आप. तो वहाँ सिनेरियो, हाँ, दिस इज ऑल्सो seen in both the houses, like my father and then this. They are like, see, when mother has already, then girl will also go and talk sometimes, right? She's also clearing her doubts, or she's also clearing her mind. So then they are thinking, no, no, my mother has to be saved. They are some, either they will say BP high or something like. Then comes, I don't know, maybe it is a pattern or some from previous insecurity of years. It is there. Some pattern is there, which is they are preventing the mother not, मतलब कि उनको कुछ हो जाएगा. So what about woman feels, younger woman is feeling, what about when elder one was saying us things? Yeah, that is then also come, then either, then also man should be coming in between and say, Mama, why are you saying? Right? When then they are clever enough that they will, boy will not even know. Things happen. So, or either we also have to be intelligent enough then not to, then we'll also think when they are not around, then talk. But that doesn't, like, that is people do. I'm just saying such example, like elder, but how to tackle such situations. Like elder one, they are protecting the elder one more. Hmm.
because they feel responsible towards them. Moral responsibility.
Yeah,
मॉरल
more.
रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड
Yeah.
मॉरल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी की डेफिनेशन क्या है उनके लिए? उनके लिए मॉरल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी की डेफिनेशन बहुत ही कमाल की है, बहुत ही जबरदस्त है, कि वो अच्छे बेटे तभी साबित होंगे जब उनकी वाइफ उनके लिए, उनकी मम्मी के लिए ये चीजें करेंगी, वो तब अच्छे बेटे साबित होंगे। उनको कुछ नहीं करना, उनको सिर्फ अपने गले में मेरी मम्मी मेरी मम्मी मेरी मम्मी का ढोल बजाना है,
वाइफ को,
वो तो कुछ
यही
नहीं
मैंने
करना।
कहा,
हाँ,
यही टॉपिक है। सो आई वाज लाइक, हम आपके वर्क को लेबल नहीं कर सकते, आप अच्छा करो नहीं, ऑफिस का हाउ वी आर बीइंग जज, कि हम मतलब जो भी मॉम के अकॉर्डिंग जज हो रहा है या आपके अकॉर्डिंग जज हो रहा है, या फिर जो मतलब वाइफ हैज टू डू दैट रोल ना।
see, that is what Karishma has said. Forgiveness given, access denied. No more access, not at all. I don't allow anyone, come what may, whether it is my son, my daughter, my husband, और my in-laws तो बहुत ही पीछे हैं लाइन में। My mother, my मतलब अगर मेरे बच्चे भी नहीं हैं, हस्बैंड भी नहीं है, तो उसके बाहर ही है सब। और मदर इन लॉ तो बहुत ही पीछे है लाइन में, उनको तो पता नहीं कभी
इसका
कभी नंबर नहीं आने वाला उनका, कि
इसका मीनिंग नहीं
दैट
समझ
शी
आया कि
कैन
फॉरगिव,
डिस्टर्ब मी।
फॉरगिव कर दो, बट अच्छा माइंड में असेस नहीं दे रहे हो आप अपने, ये दिस इज द थिंग यू
Access
सेइंग।
denied, access denied. I am in my, I know my aura. No one can, Komal, no one will come and talk to you like this. आपके बहुत पास कोई आके बात करेगा तो आप कैसे करोगे? पीछे करोगे ना, because it is your personal aura. Getting my point? It's your personal
हाँ
aura,
आई,
है ना? So it is same like
जैसे
that. I don't allow her to enter in my head. मेरे
ये
लिए
जैसे
कुछ अच्छा लगा, मैंने सुन लिया। मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगा, अगर मेरे लिए कुछ खराब है, मैं सुनूंगी ही नहीं, और मैं वो ही करूंगी जो मुझे करना है, वॉट एवर माई ड्यूटीज, एंड आई विल डिफाइन माई ड्यूटीज। नो वन एल्स इज गोइंग, परिवार में, कि मेरी ड्यूटी ये नहीं है कि मैं उनको दवाई एक उसमें, और फिर पानी की बोतल और पानी का ग्लास और ढक्कन दूं, और फिर पूछूं माता जी दवाई ले लो, फिर वापस ले। नो, दैट इज नॉट माई, आई विल डिफाइन माई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी। When that time will
इनिशियली
come, maybe I may do that, but I am defining my responsibilities.
many girls are following that, the same thing. I agree, and I'm able to understand what you're saying. Like assess denied. Like no, I don't want to name who are
Hmm.
doing, who are not of my family or what. But yeah, when they have seen the pattern, the behavior which was coming towards towards them, so then they also say forgiveness. Okay, then assess denied. Yeah, I understand what you're saying. Then they are like, okay, you are then this for me. They also think in their brain or mind or heart, anywhere. Okay, you have behaved this way. Now I'll also keep distance or whatever. I'll also uh, protect myself. That is what you mean, na? Protect yourself, protect your boundary. Hmm. Or don't keep on trying to uh, again and again go over there and convince or do something. Yeah, I understand. Hmm. Yeah.
Wonderful.
No one
Thank
is
you.
wrong.
Thank you. Thank you, Komal and Madhulika, for that insightful discussion. Amrita, do you want to share anything on the topic that is being discussed? All right. On that note, let's go on the fourth part of the book, which was about how to use your emotions to grow. जब मैं इसके बारे में सोचती हूँ तो द थिंग दैट केम टू माय माइंड वाज कि नेगेटिव इमोशंस को डिकोड कैसे करें, हाउ टू टर्न दैट पेन इनटू पावर. तो वी टॉक्ड अबाउट a lot of um, negative emotions like resentment, jealousy, depression, fear, discomfort, procrastination, lack of motivation. एक एक सेंटेंस सबके बारे में बोलो. रिसेंटमेंट जब सोचो तो रिसेंटमेंट जो होती है दैट होल्ड्स यू बैक. It hurts you more than others. Like आप किसी को पॉइजन दो और आप इसको बोलो कि तू मर जाएगा. इट डज नॉट हैपन. इफ यू ड्रिंक द पॉइजन यू आर गोइंग टू डाई. नोबडी एल्स इज गोइंग टू बी हर्ट. रिसेंटमेंट इज समथिंग लाइक दैट ओनली. क्योंकि रिसेंटमेंट आप ही के अंदर है ना. You are getting suffered because of that.
Is
It
it
is not
similar to
hurt
guilt?
anybody else.
Guilt, or
Then comes jealousy.
you are
Jealousy.
resenting what you already said, है ना, or done. Resentment is for resentment is for we are resenting what we have done, or done or said words used.
रिसेंटमेंट
Resentful
हमारे
about
को
our
होती
action.
है जब किसी ने कुछ कर दिया और हम रिसेंट करते रहते हैं कि ओ गॉड इससे ये किया, अब मैं इसको ये करूंगी. अपने अंदर ही आप इतनी सारी चैटर कर देते हो कि वो बिल्डअप हो जाता है. तो मैं तो छोड़ने ही नहीं वाली हूँ. कहीं मैं उसको बदला लूंगी, मैं उससे ये करूंगी, मैं उसको ये बोलूंगी. अगली बार बोले से ही मेरे अंदर ये करूंगी. कर क्या रहे हो आप अपने आप को ही जला रहे हो, कुड़ रहे हो, अपने आप को सफर करवा रहे हो. सामने वाला तो जिसको जो. सो नॉर्मली स्पीकिंग व्हेन माय मदर टेल्स मी आज गुड़िया नहीं आई है, शी हैज अ फुल टाइम हाउस हेल्प. एंड the day she does not come she starts saying आज आई नहीं, ये हो गया, वो हो गया, वो हो गया. I'm like ओहो भाई शुभ, आराम से ठहर जाओ, रुक जाओ. वो अपना एंजॉय कर रही है, कोई मेला देखने गई है, मंगल बाजार घूमने गई है, और आप यहाँ पे कुड़ते जा रहे हो. आपके लिए सब काम तो वो करके गई है. शांत रहो, एंजॉय करो. आप भी बाहर से आज खाना मंगवाओ और खाओ, पार्टी. enjoy the freedom you have got without a house help all day long. And it's somewhere around that. Then is jealousy. Jealousy, how can you use it is, jealousy आपको ये दिखाती है कि what do you really want. And जब भी jealousy दिमाग में आए तो use it to grow. Understand कि अगर आपको यही चाहिए तो अब इसको मुझको कैसे पाना है. Right? It is to take inspiration. Inspired actions लो.
I've heard this before also. But yeah, this is a revision that when we are getting jealous, it means that we also need that thing or want that thing, aspire for the thing. But we are not doing that much hard work for that thing, maybe. We need to work for that.
Yes, of
If
course.
we're getting jealous, it means we
थाली में
aspire
परोस के
for it.
कुछ नहीं मिलता है. थाली में परोस के कुछ नहीं मिलता है. You have to work to get it. You have to do
Yeah, either
something about
aspire
it.
for that too. Jealous is that only someone is famous or we are famous. If people are jealous, they need to work. If we are getting jealous, it means we need to work for that thing. Or either work or change your dreams. Both. Anything can be there, na? Balance it out. Yeah. Like
Then,
Karthik also teaches that if someone has, you can think in positive way. Wow, this thing has come. Or you can also come in that vibration. Why to get jealous? You can also think in, wow, मतलब मेरे पास भी आने वाला है. Why not मतलब use good words when you
हाँ,
feel
मतलब the
some
moment you feel jealousy about something, just understand कि हाँ यार ये मुझको भी अपनी लाइफ में मन है कि मेरे पास हो. Don't think of it as if हाय राम ये तो enjoy कर रही है and टाटा 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 आपकी शुरू. You see it as, oh wow, I didn't know, but yes, now I know that I also desire this in my life. And then start working towards it. आपको कैसे मिलेगा, आपको सोचना है, आपको उसके ऊपर काम करना है. After jealousy was depression. Depression normally means that something inside needs attention, not judgment. हम क्या करते हैं, जिसको डिप्रेशन होता है, हम नॉर्मली हम अगर मेरे को डिप्रेशन है फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई जज माई सेल्फ एंड अदर पीपल ऑल्सो स्टार्ट जजिंग मी. तुझे 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 तुझे. दैट इज रिक्वायर्ड. वॉट इज रिक्वायर्ड इज वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि हमारे को अंदर किस चीज की जरूरत है. लाइक अगर मुझको कोई फीवर हो जाता है, अगर मेरा स्टमक अपसेट हो जाता है, आवर बॉडी इज टेलिंग अस not to blame and criticize our body, not to judge our body, but to tell us कि this part of your body needs attention. Please pay attention. Likewise, depression is a place wherein it is saying your mental health needs some attention. Pay some attention to it. Then is fear and discomfort. जब मैं fear की बात करती हूँ तो fear I don't think is a bad thing. It is there to protect you, but हमारे को fear को अपने आप को control नहीं करने देना है. It is not there for, you should not let it control you. और सबसे ज्यादा fear होता है हमारे को जब हमारे को discomfort होता है, हमारे को किसी अनकंफर्टेबल जोन में जाना पड़ता है, एंड वी हैव टू मेक पीस विद द फैक्ट दैट डिस्कम्फर्ट इज इक्वल टू साइन दैट यू आर ग्रोइंग. हमारे को ऐसे नेटफ्लिक्स देखते हुए कोई डिस्कम्फर्ट नहीं होता है, नहीं होता. हमारे को कुछ भी करते हुए डिस्कम्फर्ट नहीं होता जब हमारे को कुछ अपने लिए जिस चीज पे काम करना पड़ता है. अगर मेरे को वेट रिड्यूस करना है, इफ आई हैव टू कुक स्पेशल फूड फॉर माई सेल्फ, इज द डिस्कम्फर्ट दैट आई एम गोइंग टू फेस. एंड उसका गेन क्या होने वाला है? द हेल्थियर बॉडी,
Yes.
द वेट रिडक्शन, राइट? That was discomfort and fear. Then comes procrastination. Procrastination बहुत सारे लोग कहते हैं कि it is laziness, but it's often fear in disguise. Fear of judgment, fear what people will say, fear कि what if I fail, fear whether my family is going to support me or not, fear कि अगर मैं इतनी सक्सेसफुल हो गई तो अगर मेरे साथ कोई भी ना पहुंचा सक्सेस लाइन तक, तो all those fears are hiding behind the word procrastination. Procrastination is normally said to be, something I heard. I think I had posted it somewhere in my Instagram as well. Procrastination is sophistication in high heels. हम उसको procrastination को ऐसे यूज करते हैं. Oh, TikTok. I am procrastinating on it, बट हम इसके पीछे का वो जान ही नहीं देते, जानते ही नहीं है कि वी आर, इट इज बैक्ड विद लॉट्स ऑफ फियर्स. देन इज क्या है? लैक ऑफ मोटिवेशन. लैक ऑफ मोटिवेशन इज द सिग्नल दैट यू आर नॉट क्लियर अबाउट योर वाई. जब क्लियर होगा वाई तो आपका everything is start to going to work. If you are aligned with your purpose, your
Vision.
mission, your vision, there is nothing that is going to stop you. You might feel emotionally low, you might feel through your health, you might feel not so well, but if you have a mission, if you have a vision that is a very strong why, no matter what, you are going to do it. Motivation will not drive you, your why will drive. Last but not the least, I think that your emotions don't need fixing. It needs listening. Most of us feel that there is nobody to listen to us. I want to ask you, are you listening to your own self?
Yes, a lot, all day long. मतलब
You,
sometimes we are over obsessed with ourselves also, even opposite things also. Then also we are not able to come out of trouble when we are too indulged with our own narrow vision. Then also we have to see how there are so many people suffering outside. You are too narrow-minded like this. Kartika used to say, you look like this. Sometimes we are viewing world like this. I need this, I want that, I want that.
but what
You're
I
not
want you to
worth.
understand is, Komal, it is not that emotion. You are not looking inside of you as to what you are feeling. And जब अगर समझ में आ गया what you are feeling, tell me what are you doing about it?
Matlab, if you're not able to get that thing and you're viewing it like this, I was like, but you are saying focus on the emotion, that moment. Suppose you have tried and it is different thing. Some uh, scenario can be something else, na? Where you want something but you are not getting it. Universe is not able that moment. That is a lesson for you that you are not being
You
supported.
get
Suppose
only what you deserve. You have to work on your deservability.
emotions like kids would get different emotions. We as we will
आपके
feel
बच्चे को
yeah.
आइसक्रीम चाहिए. उस दिन मधुलिका ने बड़ी अच्छी स्टोरी सुनाई थी. आपके बच्चे को आइसक्रीम चाहिए उसने कहा आप उसको 2 scoops ऑफ आइसक्रीम चाहिए, अभी वो गिरा रहा है, तो विल फादर गेट हिम द 2 scoops ऑफ आइसक्रीम अगेन? नो. You have to prove to the universe, you have to prove to your dad that you can handle 1 scoop of ice cream for you to get 2 scoops of ice cream. जब तक आपको
There is
5,000 रुपए का बयाना नहीं देना आएगा अपने आप को, तब तक हाउ कैन यू टेल द यूनिवर्स दैट यू डिजर्व 10,000? एंड जब तक 10,000 नहीं संभालने आएंगे, तब तक आपको 1 लाख रुपए क्यों दिए जाएं? मुझको ये बताओ.
I understand. मेरे को ये but we are talking on this thing, but एकदम mind में यार we have so much of competition, we have so much of comparison that you know I want this thing, है ना? Child वाला example different है, but because you get into we are living in this house, so I also need these things. और somehow है ना, many kids कि मैं स्कूल में जाता हूँ, मेरे फ्रेंड्स के पास है, उनका अलग सिनेरियो होगा. फॉर कोमल इट विल बी लाइक ये वाला स्टेब्लिश है, मे बी शी विल नॉट थिंक कि मेरा अलग चल रहा है लाइक पैटर्न, राइट? बिकॉज वी आर स्टक इन
देर
जो
आर टाइम्स व्हेन
सोसाइटी
वी सी ओनली द
कंपैरिजन.
आइसबर्ग. आइसबर्ग देखने में बहुत सुंदर लगता है, उसको नीचे क्या डेप्थ है वो कोई देखता ही नहीं.
सिंपल
You
वर्डिंग वाज
see
लाइक
that
अगर उसने
somebody
ये
is
कपड़े
having a
डाले मुझे भी
beautiful,
चाहिए.
you see somebody having a beautiful relationship, you see somebody having a beautiful career, amazingly well, but you do not see कि उसके नीचे उन्होंने क्या क्या स्ट्रगल्स फेस करके वो चीज डेवलप करी है. इट इज नेवर एन इजी रोड फॉर एनीबडी. Nobody was born with the silver or a golden platter or a spoon, whatever they call it. There is something that has happened inside of them. There is something that they have recovered from, which now you see as a beautiful face. But now, andar ke andar, when I talk about relationships, how many times do I tell you कि Karishma, Neeraj was doing this and this and this, and I was feeling that. My mother-in-law used to russo because of no reason. I was sitting in front of her, "Mama, आप खा लो, नहीं तो फिर मैं नहीं खाऊंगी." I've told all those stories. Now, if you say that Karishma has a beautiful relationship, is it coming essay on the platter? No. Karishma has done a lot of sacrifice. She has done a lot of service. She has done a lot to build that she's getting that freedom on the platter right now.
True. Yes. Yeah, definitely.
Negative, every negative emotion, whatever. When you get to know that emotion, understand that it carries a message. Don't let it go. Learn from it. जब सीखोगे तभी उसका फायदा है. अदरवाइज नेगेटिविटी को झेल लिया और वो आगे से फिर वापस आएगी, वापस आएगी, वापस आएगी, एंड इट कीप्स ऑन रिपीटिंग इटसेल्फ टिल यू लर्न द लेसन. एवरीथिंग नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट इन योर लाइफ. Last but not the least, you are allowed to feel everything, but you're also allowed to rise above that. That's it. That's what was my takeaway from this book. I would invite each one of you to share your insights on this part of the book as well. Let's start from Madhulika.
I could not hear you. We could not hear you. I don't know if Madhulika was able to hear or not. Network issues.
Yeah,
You were
am I
saying
audible?
things now, but we were not able to hear you. You were not audible. Network was not good.
क्या नहीं सुना? What was the last thing you heard?
The last thing that we could hear was मुझे platter में नहीं मिला. Karishma has worked really
Sacrifices.
hard to get that,
That was.
and I could not. I mean, it was not easy for Karishma also. So you must have heard this story,
Saying that
that
every person
story.
has their own struggles, like whatever they get.
All right.
It can be
Your
different type of.
Karishma, your network today is laggy.
Very
Yes, yes.
badly. I had a one-on-one just before this session, and there too, instead of 30 minutes, we went long for 1 hour because my network kept on dropping.
Yeah. I
Uh,
think you just do one thing, you close your video. I mean, maybe that will improve the voice quality.
okay. Is it better
Maybe.
now?
No, it's still not better. You better come back.
You want to talk to my logo? You can.
No, 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 no. We don't want to talk. We want to see you.
Uh, so is my voice audible now? चलो ठीक है, then we will leave it
Bits and
here. We
pieces.
we will take your takeaways. ठीक है, Madhulika, I have shared most of what I wanted to say. Let's hear it from you.
I think I've already shared the zest of the book and what I will be living by
Yes,
from this
this is
book.
what is very
I
interesting.
will always, yeah, so I will always look into the fact from where I am operating, whether I am operating above the line or below the line. First thing that I will always try to keep in mind, and I will live by this thing. Second is my son is calling. He has gone for a tournament. So can I take this? Komal, you share.
Yes,
I'll
yes.
get back.
Komal, what are you taking away from this book?
Yeah, this line which Madhulika just made me remember
ये मधुलिका की नहीं
from where
लर्निंग
the book
लेनी है,
started.
ऐसी बात बोलना जो यू आर गोइंग टू लिव बाय, यू आर गोइंग टू इम्प्लीमेंट इन योर लाइफ फ्रॉम
Actually,
नाउ ऑन.
then I'll have to reread it. Sorry to say, I have missed so many of the sessions in between. I'll definitely need a rereading of this one also. And to be
इतनी
honest,
सारी लर्निंग जो
uh,
इन 2 दिनों में हुई है उनमें से भी कुछ नहीं मिला.
उनमें से तो मैं बोल ही रही हूँ ना, फिर कुछ मधुलिका की, कुछ आपकी. So all together, we have so many things.
I don't want you to take so many things away. I want you to stand by one thing that you say and you make sure that you live by it from now onwards.
Keep your aura intact is one thing we learned, even if it must not be in book, but that is coming on top. Like you can prevent your boundaries, or you can prevent your own positivity, and definitely, and work from the, and remaining not, it's not remaining in silence. It is about anger, how you can. It's not also about controlling, not also about remaining quiet. It is about giving a pause, which you are saying. Give a pause so that situations will not be later on, you will not regret and you will not resent. That's what we can learn, and how to handle these emotions very well. We can definitely learn from the book. Like you can operate from love, which Madhulika was talking about, above the line or below the line. Operating from love or operating from uh, not so loving place, right? So if you know the end result, which he was saying, even you can communicate the end result in conversations also. Like when you can put your intention, when you have clear vision that what you want in relationships or anything, then you will definitely master your emotions very well. And more we read, more we get insights. And these three, four things are still, I think, a lot of, they give me a lot of things, and still, I mean, they are like, they have already changed a few things in my personality.
Wonderful.
Yeah, I am, yeah, I'm able to take inside the positivity more, and being mindful. Yeah, in this journey, we learn how to be mindful, be aware, and yes, and give a pause and manage your emotions well. That's from my side.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Amazing.
Was my voice clear?
Yes,
Or network
absolutely.
issues?
No, I am getting your voice very clearly.
Your voice was clear, Komal. I think Karishma is frozen.
Okay, because my laptop is telling me तुमने बहुत बोल लिया, listen to
Your
people.
screen is frozen, Karishma.
But am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
ठीक है ना, शक्ल भी दिख रही है, आवाज भी आ रही है, what better? All right. Madhulika, are you ready to share yours?
Yes.
Hmm.
So there are a couple of things which I'll be living by this book. The first thing is that I've shared that I'll always see from where I'm operating, whether I'm operating from a scarcity mindset or from an abundance mindset, and from fear or out of love. There are two ways that we can evaluate from where we are operating, whether we are operating from out of fear or out of love. The second thing which I've read, and I am correlating it a lot nowadays since I've read it from this book, is ego. If someone wants to really cook good food, ego. If you want to uh, uh, be good, be to look good or to look best, if you are going in a function, family function, ego is operating, which is there. I mean, uh, if you are expecting others to give you compliments, again, you're operating out of ego. One more thing which I'll be always keeping in mind after reading this book, comparison is always there. It won't go. I mean, uh, हम जितना मर्जी सोच लें, बोल लें, आई मीन कंपैरिजन नहीं करना चाहिए, नहीं करना चाहिए। आप एक जनरल सी, चलो अगर आप माइंडफुल होके बैठे हुए हो तो ठीक है, आप सोच भी लो, चलो दो बच्चे हैं, दोनों में कंपैरिजन नहीं करना, या हस्बैंड्स में कंपैरिजन नहीं करना, या स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग में कंपैरिजन नहीं करना, या हॉलीडेज में कंपैरिजन नहीं करना। चलो आपने एक बार अपने दिमाग को एक माइंडफुल थॉट दिया और आपने ये सोच लिया, विच इज गुड, बिकॉज कंपैरिजन करके ही हम लोग फिर डिप्रेशन में और सोचने लग जाते हैं, वो तो कहाँ घूम रहा है, वो तो कहाँ घूम रहा है और हम नहीं घूम रहे हैं, और ऑल दैट स्टफ। कंपैरिजन हमेशा रहेगा। आप एक सिंपल सा एग्जांपल लो, अगर कि मान लो हम किसी शादी में गए हैं और जहां दो लोग डांस कर रहे हैं, सिंपल, वी विल कंपेयर। आई मीन पीपल विल लुक अप टू द पर्सन, ओके, जिसके मूव ज्यादा अच्छे, कोऑर्डिनेटेड और बढ़िया और स्मूथ वाले होंगे, एनर्जी होगी। सो कंपैरिजन हमेशा रहेगा ही रहेगा। सब ड्रामे हैं, जितना मर्जी सोच लो कि कंपैरिजन नहीं होगा। तो बट what we can do is how we can get motivated out of that comparison. From that comparison, how we can get motivated. Jealousy तक उसको ना आने दे, jealousy ना होके let's be motivated. और कुछ नहीं है मोटिवेशन। मोटिवेशन इज ट्रांजिएंट, इट कम्स एंड गोज, कम्स एंड गोज, कम्स एंड गोज। वट एवर जो आपको अपने आप करना है वो आपके रूटीन, आपकी डेडिकेशन से ही होगा। जस्ट डू इट बिकॉज यू हैव टू डू इट, आई मीन नथिंग एल्स इज वर्किंग। जस्ट डू इट बिकॉज यू हैव टू डू इट, ऑटोमेटिकली मोटिवेशन विल कम। इट इज अ विशियस साइकिल। मोटिवेशन पहले आएगा, फिर काम करोगे तो काम कभी नहीं कर पाएंगे। बट whenever we look up to someone, as you said Komal, that कि उसके पास में ये है, या वो यहाँ जा रहा है, या सच अ ब्यूटीफुल रिलेशनशिप, सो वी कैन ऑलवेज फील मोटिवेटेड, फाइन, आई कैन ऑल्सो अचीव दैट, एंड वी कैन लर्न फ्रॉम दैट पर्सन। फिर हमारी ईगो प्ले करने लग जाती है।
Materialistic world is, even if I show myself as Karishma knows, sometimes very learning spirituality or such things, but materialistic has been an important aspect of my personality and comparison. So here I have to learn. Uh, it's not that stop your wishes or stop your dreams, but yes, start working for them is a lesson for me. Then, or if you want those things for yourself, if you desire and you feel you don't have yet, then I need to work on them. Maybe it's not that I can ask from husband or I can ask from parents. And maybe I was asking sometimes. If I say about myself, we do get into those modes. But yes, I learned that how we can either like balance we can make now. We can make a balance. Either we can somewhat we can stop comparing, and somewhat we can start this building our empire, building our dreams. Yeah. That's what how emotions will be balanced. Because why you're feeling so emotional, all the negative emotions, anger, frustration, jealousy, everything can come if you are not feeling up to the mark, and if you know you can do it. Maybe because you feel that you can do it, because you were not able to do it. That's why this issue happens. Anything about personal development or things and that, because you desire something. We all desire something. From desires only these emotions are coming. Hey, I should be respected. Hey, I should be loved. Hey, then it can be of I should be wearing this nice clothes. Hey, I should be rich enough. Anything. These are all desires, and from those desires, all the emotions are coming. He should be respecting me, or my parents should be respecting me. But these are all desires at some level. How can you achieve? You have to see that. Anybody like me or anyone. Yeah.
Now, Tulika, would you like to add something to it?
मैं बेटे के साथ में लगी हुई थी. आई एम सो सॉरी. आई बी वेरी जेन्युइन.
I would like to say, Komal, respect is earned. Love is earned. Earned.
That only what I was saying now, ki you are somewhere desiring because you feel, and it can come through so many things. Matlab something is lacking. It's not always
You
respect or
want
love.
respect, you want love, right?
Hmm.
What do you do to get that?
That line that you have to first give, I've heard 1,000 times. So if it is going to come, then I'm laughing for that. That first you have to give and then you get back. I'm not too sure about this thing, because
Have
sometimes
you
we
tried
were,
it? Have you tried it?
yeah, sometimes like Madhulika was talking, related to you have to draw your boundaries, like related to some people who are unhappy in themselves. There, this thing will not work, because we as then it will take 10 years to make them happy. Right, in that
Komal,
scenario.
Komal, your responsibility is never to make anyone else happy.
Anyone
Your
happy, true, true.
responsibility is to make yourself happy. First thing.
Yeah.
We are not born to make anyone happy. We are born to make ourselves happy. First
How
thing.
if happiness is contagious, same way sadness is also somewhat contagious. It affects us. Depression or sadness, like I trying I
There
want to.
where there where when where the boundary setting boundaries comes. Okay, that
There
is
we
where
have to
setting
protect our
boundaries
aura.
comes. See,
Yes.
you will not restrict good things to come to you, but definitely for those boundaries are to restrict bad things, negative things to come to you.
It
There
was like,
is a very foolproof formula for love and respect, and
yeah.
it works 100,000%. 100,000%. 100,000%. I never liked my pet. मैं बहुत अगेंस्ट थी. मुझे कैट नहीं चाहिए. मेरा बेटा इतना वो था, मैं मुझे अडॉप्ट करनी है, अडॉप्ट करनी है. ही
Right.
अडॉप्टेड अ रेस्क्यूड कैट. उस कैट ने मुझसे अपने आप प्यार लिया, सिर्फ मुझे प्यार करके. सिर्फ मुझे प्यार करके. This is the only formula that works for love and respect. First, love and respect yourself. You should be the first one. You should be the first one. Respect, क्या हम इतनी respect कर सकते हैं कोमल अपनी, कि अपने आप को उस लेवल पे पहुंचा दें कि हम अपनी पूजा खुद करने लगे? Can we get that respect from ourselves? You got my point? हमें अपनी इतनी रेस्पेक्ट करनी है कि हम अपनी पूजा खुद कर सकें.
Yes, yes, we were not strong enough. We asked for validation, कि हम अपने आप को ही validate नहीं कर रहे ना. Self worth, self esteem,
And
validation, all the
can we
points.
be, and can we be at that place that we are good to everyone, come what may? It is not my responsibility whether some other person will be good to me, then only I will be good to them. No, it is not, it doesn't work that way. Can I be good because that is my personality, that is my traits, that is my values? It's okay. I'm not expecting and I'm not going and जाओ पूजा 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 करो उनकी आहा सारे दिन मैं उनके मत्थे ऐसे ऐसे करो. No, I will perform my duties, my task, and then I will work on myself, my self growth,
Right.
my personal thing. That's it. And that is if you are here, Komal,
Yeah.
if you are spending 1 hour over here, you are at the right place. That means you are already working on yourself. That means you are ready to work on yourself. You are working on yourself. You are at the right place, right path.
I just used to label it like we as a couple were happy. Someone was not happy in that house. So because of that unhappiness in someone, like we as a couple also like faced. So it is like I just wanted, मतलब उस बात पे मैं कह रही थी कि
I know
sometimes
that. Komal, I've just crossed your path. I've just
yeah,
crossed your path.
they are not
It is,
and
yeah, see, I'm telling you, I have just crossed your path. We could be together if you would have met me a couple of months before. I
yeah.
have just crossed your path. It's not
Because this
that
I
far
just
off.
got that idea कि हम तो happy थे ऐसी bubbly girl like I was always I was not stressed I was happy मैं तो bubbly ऐसे enjoy कर रही थी मतलब so I came to understand that concept कि we could have taken care of that person who was unhappy or how to deal with it like this thing मतलब yeah so that we can this thing needs
No,
to be
no, no, no. Again,
okay.
it is not your responsibility to make someone happy. No,
Right.
it is not your responsibility. Your responsibility is your responsibility to
Take
first
care
to
of
make
you.
yourself happy. And how
Hmm.
you'll be happy, I'm sure you can never be happy by doing something bad to someone.
Right.
That is what human nature is,
True.
right? First, make yourself happy.
Yeah. Again, it comes back to conclude that make your aura strong and it should not इतना कमजोर ही क्यों है तुम्हारी aura की वही फिट हो रही है आप डर रहे हो आप एंगर फील कर रहे हो फिर आप भी इन्वॉल्व हो रहे हो ना in those senses so it's like you have to protect your boundary aura everything that your boat has to be filled with that water. Karishma missed it. The boat needs water uh, for being there. Water is environment, situations, everything. But you don't have to take that water inside that boat. अगर बोट के अंदर आ जाएगा तो आप सिंक हो जाओगे और थोड़ा सा आ सकता है आई वाज सेइंग मम्मा 1 कप आ जाएगा तो कोई बात नहीं 2 कप आ जाएगा तो कोई बात नहीं बट इफ यू टेक टू मच इनसाइड है ना देन यू विल सिंक सो सिचुएशंस तो बाहर हैं हम बोट हैं तो वी हैव टू जस्ट फ्लोट या दैट्स इट
Amrita, do you want to say something or share something? Did you get some insights from this session today?
Yes, I love the word very much. And first one is that regarding jealousy, I feel that this is the desire which I have already. That's why I feel jealous. So I can feel my capacity more with this. And second one is taking pause. And third one, I love that denial of not allowing anyone. So this is the thing, actually keeping our boundary in a very good way. So I feel these things really helping me. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Wonderful, wonderful. I would love for you to share your takeaways in the group as well, right? Before we wind up this book, I would love for each one of you to share whatever you have learned through this journey of this book in the WhatsApp community, whatever. I know Madhulika left the space. You can share it with me in personal. And I would love for each one of you to understand that emotions आएंगे जाएंगे. As far as, just like, Madhulika said, love yourself enough. You need to respect yourself enough. The reason for it is how you treat yourself. You train people, other people to train you likewise. If you feel in your heart, if you believe in your heart that there is something that I need to work on, it is never too late. Start working on yourself and start building yourself in a way that you start respecting and loving yourself so intensely कि अगर कोई और ना भी करे तो you are okay with it. Also, if you're not getting respect from here, why are you asking it from here? I think whatever rooms you are going to, you are getting some love and respect there. Be accept it, no? वहां से एक्सेप्ट कर लो, अपना टैंक वहां से फुल कर लो. यू डोंट, जस्ट लाइक आई कीप ऑन सेइंग, लव को हम बोलते जा रहे हैं हमारे को हस्बैंड से ये, हस्बैंड से चाहिए, हस्बैंड से चाहिए. इतने सारे फ्रेंड्स हैं आपके, वो आपको इतना प्यार करते हैं. यू आर सेइंग अच्छा ठीक है, वो तो
Yes.
ठीक है, उसको छोड़ो, पर तू तो कर.
Yes, I see the pattern. Yes, मेरे को तो एक फ्रेंड भी अगर हल्का सा मूव इधर कर लिया एंड आई वाज लाइक ओ, मतलब सेंसिटिविटी और समथिंग विच वी आर, हाउ कैन वी प्लीज एवरीवन. तो थोड़ा किसी ने भी कर लिया, जस्ट वन पर्सन, सो हाउ कैन आई मतलब मेक 100 crore
Well,
people.
are you satisfied with whatever you are doing in your life right now? Or you think you need some kind of improvement in yourself?
No, I'm quite happy at the moment. Uh, whichever things are going on, I feel powerful enough, and I don't know how this word sticks with me, like powerful word, but yeah, not powerful to fight, powerful in any other sense. So yes, powerful
Do
enough.
you love
And
yourself, Komal?
Komal, do you love yourself? Yes, I love myself, and
कितना?
I'm very protective enough of that thing, actually,
How much?
overprotective of that.
How much do you love yourself?
How much I love myself. इतना सारा.
और रोज करते हो? Every time, all the time.
हर रोज करते हो, every time. मतलब ये सब जो कर रहे हो, ये एक तरह का अपने आप को लव ही कर रहे हो ना. I feel like this
Then
is
why are you seeking it from others? If your tank is
सारा
full,
कुछ.
if your tank is so full of love for your own self, why are you seeking it from others?
हाँ, वो नहीं पता. Why I ask validation, because ये है, मतलब I've seen validation वाला बहुत है. वो भी मॉम मदर से
Think
है
about it.
ज्यादा.
Think about it. Reflect on it.
True.
All right.
Yeah.
On that note, let's close this session. Thank you so much to each one of
Thank
you for
you.
the massive, massive, massive value you have brought into these sessions. We will be starting up with a new book from Monday. If I've got some suggestions, if you have any suggestions, please put it in the DMs or in the groups wherever you are, and we will decide one book together, and we'll continue reading that. On that note, God bless you all. God bless you all is what I can think of right now. May you all have lots of love, respect, alignment in your life so that you do not seek it from anybody else, anywhere else but yours. Bye.